He saw in his dream, you've heard this story before, of a lion chasing him in the jungle. He's running away from this lion, suddenly arrives at a well, and he jumps into that well. The lion goes away, and he holds onto a rope without realizing he's holding onto a rope. And beneath the well, there is an anaconda or a boa constrictor coming up towards him. So this man in his dream starts to climb up the rope. As he's climbing, he sees at the top of the rope 2 mice, one black, one white, eating away at the rope. And he thought to himself, if I don't make it in time, the rope is going to snap from the mice eating it, and I'm going to fall into the jaws of the anaconda. So he started shaking the rope in his dreams to try and get the mice off. As he's doing that, he started wobbling and swinging from left to right, and then noticed that his shoulders are bumping to something sticky on the walls of the well, and they had a sweet smell to them. And he noticed them and noticed that they were sweet, beautiful honey, smells beautifully. And he started to lick the honey and taste it. And it was so tasty that he says in his dream, he forgot about the mice, and he forgot about the rope, and he forgot about the snake and the lion, and he started indulging in the honey. And then he woke up. So he went to his local imam and told him the dream, and the imam said to him, the lion is a symbol of the angel of death. He is after you, and he won't leave you until you reach your grave. The well is where you jumped into. That's your grave, but you're not dead yet, so you're holding on to the rope. The rope is your life. The anaconda is the punishment awaiting you because you're heedless in your life. And the black and white mice, they are the day and the night. Every day, every night comes over, you wake up, your time is running out. He says, Allah, what about the honey, ya Shaykh? What about the honey? He said, the honey. The honey is the sweetness of this world. The temptations that are around you. They are temporary sweetness. You indulge yourself in them so much that you forgot that there is an angel of death whose the time is clicking for him to take you, that your life is running out, and the day and night is eating away from your life, and what is awaiting you in the hereafter. So apparently the man went and repented and changed his life, and this is a symbol, a lesson of this, what we're talking about, ghafla, which means to be unaware, in spiritual sleep, distracted by the worldly temptation.